Boys, crypto's in trouble. Right now, we're about to head into one of the biggest months this year for crypto, and there's a lot that's about to happen that's going to decide whether we go up or whether we go way down. Now, the reason why this is crazy is because it's the first major piece of legislation that crypto's ever seen. So for the first time ever, we are going to have regulations in crypto. And the reason why it's such a big deal is that right now we're running out of time. The midterms are coming up here soon. Things aren't really changing, meaning, you know, gas is still high, groceries are still out the fucking ass, Iran war is still going on, and it's looking less and less likely that the Republicans, Trump, is even going to put up a fight in November when it comes time to maintaining control. And if he loses control, which is likely if nothing changes, it is going to be unlikely that the Clarity Act ends up passing. You've probably heard that term thrown around a lot. The Clarity Act needs to pass. There's a lot of stuff waiting. And they themselves, the Trump administration, has said that there's trillions of dollars of money sitting on the sideline for when this, bill ends up passing. And to me, I read that as a threat. I read that as if the Clarity Act doesn't pass, crypto's not going to go higher. I mean, think about it. Why else would the stock market be performing? Why else would precious metals and everything else be going up but crypto? The risk on asset is just in the shitter all year long. It just makes me think that something else is happening. And the next big date that we have coming up is in July, and that's July 14th, I believe. We got the big meeting coming up for the Clarity Act. And not only that, everything else, like the Iran war, for example, it just keeps going on. If you're on my app Market Mirror, which you should be, by the way, it's free on the iOS and Android store, you've been tracking everything that Donald Trump's doing, his trades, his, literal wallet, the Strait of Hormuz, all the stuff that is actually deciding where the market's heading. We have it on there. And I've been telling you guys, you got to pay attention to the Iran war. And you guys hear it every single week, it seems like, oh, everything's good, then everything's bad, everything's good, then everything's bad. It's literally just pumping and dumping the market. That's all it's doing at this point. And if you notice, all the bad news, all the strikes on Iran, everything else that happens war-wise, it always happens on the weekend when the market's closed. But come Monday, there's going to be a deal, or there's going to be good talks, or there's going to be something else that's happening, and then the market's going to pump. Pay the fuck attention is all I'm trying to say. If you've been on the Instagram, you've seen a lot of these trades like this. Like, we've been going crazy. This is a trader's market, but you need to lock in. And the reason why I'm saying you're running out of time is because crypto is at lows that we have not seen in months. Now, they're not new lows per se. We're still holding this bottom that I believe personally is the bottom, but this is not the time to get cold feet. When we're in extreme fear, you need to be buying. When we're in extreme greed, you need to be selling. And if you're wondering how to ever tell when we're in extreme fear, on Market Mirror, we have the extreme fear greed index. Ours is better than every single competitor on the market. I mean, the stuff we're pulling from is insane. And yeah, pretty much anytime this is red is a buying opportunity. Anytime it's green or neutral, you might need to look to sell. And that's the state of the market right now. We're waiting on this Iran bullshit to be done. We're waiting on the Clarity Act. We're just doing a ton of waiting, which is why you're seeing so much chop back and forth. But, and this is the big but, this is the time that you should be stacking. If you're not trading, if you're not stacking to your bags, you're doing yourself a disservice, because this is the best time to make money when the market is giving you all these crazy moves. If you guys know my strategy, it's XRP longs, Bitcoin shorts. That's the way I like to do it. And XRP is giving a lot of great opportunities right now. But yeah, let me know what you think. Are you bullish or bearish on the market? Me personally, like I said, I genuinely don't think the bad is going to last forever. I just don't see why it would. But again, I'm optimistic, right? And I do believe in following the charts. And the charts to me speak a bottom. But the reality of the situation with all the wars and everything going on, it could drag this out a little bit further. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you want to see all the plays I post, be on the IG as always. Download Market Mirror. We have so many updates coming here soon, and you'll be able to trade on it here in a minute. It's going to be actually crazy. When I tell you guys we've made the all-in-one crypto platform, I mean it. Like, if you haven't tried it out, go give it a try. Got a lot of big updates coming. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.